And I'm Professor Prashant B. Gunjote from RIT Sakarari. These are the points which we are going to cover today in this session, that is modify commands. And into that, we have these many commands to cover into this session, that is copy, move, rotate, rotate with reference command, offset, array by rectangle and polar array, scale command, trim, extend, fillet. These commands we are going to see today in this session. So let us go to the Autocad software. So in previous session, we have seen how to start the Autocad software, how to take limit and rectangle command. Okay, so so first command is copy command. So we know that this is modify command, and as we know that modify command required to modify something which is already been drawn. Okay, suppose there is a circle is already there, and we have to modify means we have to copy this, we have to move this. These things done means we have to modify. So previously we should something have there on the screen like the circle, and then we can modify. So we have already circle here, and we want to copy this circle. So there is a copy command. You can see here there is a copy command, or you can type in the command line copy, copy. What is written in command line? Always try to read the command line. It is very helpful for you. So what is written in command line? It is select object. After copy, it is select objects. So I select this circle. So selection has completed. So you can once again read that one found. Select objects is double colon. One found is it is written means we have selected. So selection process has completed. So to tell the computer about the selection, we have to press enter button. So I will press enter button. So after pressing enter button, command line shows this line, that is specify the base point for the copy. So I will pick center point as a base point. You can pick circumferential point or any point as a base point. So I will pick as a center point. Okay. So now I can place this circle anywhere. Okay. To restrict the movement in horizontal and vertical direction, I can use ortho mode, by which I can place this circle in horizontal or vertical direction. I also put here dimension, let's say 30 mm, let's say 100, like this I can put. So this is what copy command. Now next command is move command. So let me delete this. So let me draw the first of all circle. So I want to move this circle from this location to the another location. So I will use move command. What is written in command line? Select object. So select object. Selection has completed. We have to press enter button. Once again, it is asking specify the base point. So I will pick circumferential point as a base point. You can pick any point. So I can drag the circle anywhere. I can drag the circle from here to anywhere. I can make the ortho mode off, and I can also put some dimensions like this. So I will move the with respect to dimensions also. So this is what move command. Next command, rotate command is there. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, so there is a command called as a rotate command, just rotate. So I will draw here a line. Okay, so I will make ortho mode on. I will draw the line. Then, okay, so how do you put the end point of the line? Okay, there is a point command. So you can use multiple point command. You can go just you move your cursor on these all commands, and you can easily find the return name is multiple points. Select this. So I will pick this point, pick this point. So points are there, but these are very dot points. So we need to provide us some other style for the points. So go to the point style, click on this. Okay, so rotate command, ROT, rotate. What is written? Select object. So select object like this. Selection has completed. Press enter button. Again, it is asking base point. So this is my base point. You can see this is my base point. Okay. Then specify the rotation angle. Let's say the rotation angle is 50. So this line is rotated for 50-degree angle. So this is simple rotate command. Okay, now just delete this. Next command is rotate with reference. For rotate with reference, I will do some construction. So let me draw some line like this. Then I will take polygon command to draw the rectangle. Number of sides are 3. Edge method. My first point, second point. Then I will pick this point and drag like this. Escape. Then I will draw one more line from this to here. From this corner to the midpoint of the front line. Okay. I will also name this. So I will use here one more command, dt command. Okay, so what is written here? Specify the start point. Suppose this is my start point, and specify the height. You can read in the command line. Specify the height. Height is 4. Specify the rotation angle 0. Enter. Now I will name as 1. This will be 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now I will copy this at multiple points. Again, I will copy from this point to here. Okay, so now I have 6 objects. Okay, so now I'm going to operate rotate with reference command. Okay, what is the question? See, we have to rotate this object number 1. Okay, around the point number 3. So 3 is the best point, and this whole object is going to rotate about the point number 3. Okay, rotate in such a way that the 2 to 3 or 3 to 2 line will become an angle of 45-degree to the this reference line. Okay, so let us use the rotate command. So click on rotate. What is written in command line? Select object. So select object. Selection is completed. Press enter button. Now what is the base point? Specify the base point. So base point is 3. Okay. Then there is a reference command. So I click on reference. Okay. Then what is the reference? So 3 to 2 is a reference. 3 to 2 is a reference. Okay, so and what is written in command line? Specify the new angle. So new angle is 45-degree. So this has been rotated for 45-degree. One more thing I need to explain that there is called as OSNAP command. So you can see here there is a OSNAP. It is written as OSNAP. Okay, so let us see that what is this OSNAP. Click on object snap setting and select all. Okay. Now what is the purpose of this command? If I make this off, you can see that it is how it is off and how it is on. Now it is off. If I want to make it on, click on this, become on. Okay, let us see if it is off. Now it is off. Now if I go to the line command and I want to pick a point on the line, so it is quite difficult to pick a point. You can see here, pick any point is become very quite difficult from this point of view. Okay, why? Because OSNAP is off. If the OSNAP is on, now you can see that you can easily show the corner points. Okay, so this is one of the command need to be explained for this. exact uh, connection of these points with the line. Okay, so this is rotated for 45 degree. How could you take the 45-degree angle? So you go into this annotation. Okay, just a minute. So into this annotation, you can go here and click on angular, click on this line, click on this line. You can see this is 45-degree angle. Similarly, I want to rotate this object so that 2 to 3 become exactly vertical. So again, rotate command, select this object, press enter button to explain the selection has completed. Base point is again 3. Click on reference, click on reference. What is the reference? 3 to 2 is the reference now, and angle is 90 degree. So this is vertical. Again, rotate command, enter. Okay, now this time I want to rotate this object so that 4 to 2. I have to rotate this object so that 4 to 2 become 45 degree. Okay, so I have already selected this object. Okay, once again I will select. Okay, selection has completed. Press enter button. Base point is 3. Okay, and reference, click on reference. So what is the reference? Now reference is 4 to 2 and angle is again 45 degree. Okay, so this time 45-degree angle made by this 4 to 2 edge. Similarly, I can rotate this on other side also. So you can click on rotate, select this object, press center button, selection is completed, specify the base point. Now the base point is 1. Click on reference. So what is the reference? I want to make 422 here 135-degree angle. So 422 is the reference and angle is 135. You can also find this angle from this direction. Okay, again I want to rotate this object so that it will be vertical. So rotate this object. Okay, press enter button. Base point is again 1. Reference is now 122 is a reference because this has to be vertical, and type here angle 90 degree. Similarly, again I will use rotate command, select this object and base point is 1. Okay, so this is rotate command. Okay, so I will delete this all. Is over. Now next command is offset command. So what is that offset command? Suppose I will draw here vertical line and I want to draw multiple line of a equidistance. Same line, same length with the equidistance. So I will use offset command. So this is offset command. Okay, so specify the offset distance. Suppose offset distance is 10. What is written? Select object. So this is my object. Specify the point on the side. So which side you want multiple object? On this side. So I will click again this line, click on this line, click on this line. So I can create multiple object at a equidistance of same dimension. Okay, so this is called as a offset command. Once again, suppose I draw here circle of big size. Again, I will use offset command. Then offset distance is, suppose now it is 12 and select object, select inside, select inside, select outside, select outside. So these many objects you can create. So this is what offset command. Delete. Then array command. So in array there are two commands, rectangle and polar array. So let me take the first circle. As I told you that this is modify command. So in modify command we require some original object. So this is my original object, this circle. Then I will click on array. So there is a rectangle array and there is a polar array. So we'll deal only these two array. So this is a rectangle array. So click on this object. Selection has completed. Press enter button. Okay, so you can see that how many rows and how many columns have been there. So that is called as a array. So we have created array of this circle. So it has 3 rows and 4 columns. So you can see that there is a 4 column, 3 rows. You can also change the distance between the columns. Let's say 25 and distance between the rows as 30. You can see that I can also increase the number of rows. Suppose if I make here 6. So there are 6 rows are there. So this is called as a rectangular array. Close this. So this is what called as a rectangular array. Now let us see the polar array. So circle command, or just take a simple line command. So this is what I have the line. Okay, and I want to create a polar array. So this is polar array. Select object. So this is my object. Then what is asking, specify the center point. Let's say this end of the line is a center point, and you can see that there are 6 objects has been created and they are located around one of the center point. Okay, so they are in a circular fashion. That's why it is called as a polar array. So I can create number of items now 6. I can create here 8 items also. I can make here 24 also. Like that you can make as many objects as you can. Control Z. Then suppose if I draw the circle like this and I want to make this array of this circle. So array, click on the circle, selection is completed, press enter button. Now they specify the center point. So center point in between the center of the circle and circumference of the circle somewhere. Okay, so you can see number of circles are there about this center point. How many circles are there? There are 6. Suppose if I make here 12, you can see the change. Okay, so this is called as a polar array of the circle. Let me delete this. Next command is scale command. Suppose I have the rectangle here. So this is a rectangle. I have used a rectangle command to draw the rectangle. Okay, and I want to enlarge this, make the size double of this. So I will go for scale command. So you can here have the scale command. Select this object, press enter button, specify the base point. Base point is this corner, and scale factor. Suppose I want to double this, so I will type here 2. So this is what called as a scale command. Delete. Then next command is trim command. Okay, so for that I will do some construction like this. Okay, so there are 2 lines are there, and in between that there is one more line vertical. There are 2 horizontal line and there is one vertical line. So I want to cut the part of the vertical line which lies between the 2 horizontal line, this part. So exactly that part I want to cut. So this is done by the trim command. So you can see that there are 2 commands, trim and extend. Both are in similar fashion are placed because they work in similar way. So I will click on trim. Okay, so what is written? You can read here. You can read here in gray shade. Select cutting edge. To cut this line, these 2 are the cutting edges. So first of all, select the cutting edge, not the object. So select this. Select this. Selection has completed. So press enter button. Now what is asking? Select object to trim. So this is object that I want to trim. So this is what called as a trim command. Okay, similarly I can draw like this, And again I will use trim command. Now I will select these many lines and enter. Trim this, trim this. Okay, so this is how you can use a trim command. Extend. Now let us see the next command, extend command. Okay, so I want to extend this line up to this end, or I can extend this line up to this end, or I can draw there is one more line like this inclined line is there, and I want to extend this line up to this part. So go to the extend command, and you can see in a gray shade what is written, select boundary. So to extend this line, this is my boundary, so select this boundary first, not the object. Selection is completed, press enter button. Now select object to extend and end to extend. So I want to extend this end, not this end. So select this end or click on this end, so it is extended. So this is how the extend command will work. Similarly, if I want to extend this up to this, so again extend command, select this and select this end, select this end. So you can do as many as you want to have. So this is extend command. Then fillet command. Okay, so what is a fillet command? Suppose this is a rectangle I have, and I want to put a fillet over here. Just a minute. So I will use a fillet command. So what is written? What is written in command line? You can read fillet, select first object, or into bracket you can see there is undo, polyline, radius, trim, and multiple. So you can see about this line what is written. Current setting. What are the current setting? Current setting is having radius 0. So if you put there is zero radius, mean there will not obtain the fillet. Okay, so first of all we have to put some radius. So I will click on radius and I will put here 10 as a radius. Okay. And what is written? Select first object, because already there is some radius is there, that is 10. Now select first object. So this object is first, this is second object. So this is how you can create fillet. Once again go to the fillet, click on radius. Now this time I will click take radius 20 and select object this. So this is a fillet with radius 20. Similarly, there is a tamper command is there. Okay, so you can operate in the same fashion. Okay, this is okay for this session, and I will stop this session here. Thank you.